Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
If you are looking for a warm and fashionable winter jacket, you have found it. Look at how beautiful this pea coat is. One of my favorite things about it is how soft and durable it is. You can see here from the stitching and the way that the buttons are on that this is going to last a long time. Another thing that I really love about it is that it's machine washable. So I haven't had a dress coat in a long time that I could throw in the laundry. And with a busy life with kids and pets, I need something that I can throw in the laundry. I also adore this color. It matches a lot more things than I thought it would. It comes in many different colors and it's true to size. I wear an extra large and this fits me just perfect without being too big. I can even wear sweaters under it. It's lined on the inside all the way down. Again, it's beautiful and it's stitched and made very well. Another thing that I love about it is how versatile it is. It's got two side pockets so you can fit lots of junk in, and you can wear this with sweaters, skirts, jeans, on date night, to Bible study, anywhere. I love how versatile it is, and I can wear it with plenty of different outfits. This jacket is perfect for all types of weather, whether it's fall, spring, or winter. It's lightweight enough that you're not going to get too hot on mild winter days, and it's definitely warm enough to wear in the spring and the fall on those cool days. So if you're looking for a beautiful and versatile winter jacket to jazz up your closet and lots of different outfits, then you've found it.
And that's my point of view.